Is there problem of melon fly observed in your vegetables or melon crop? Do you want to control melon flies in your vegetables or melon crop without spraying pesticide? Then use Utkarsh Q Lure, which attract flies and protect crop from melon fly damage. Utkarsh Q Lure is Q Lure based pheromone to attract the melon flies that destroy the crop like cucumber, bottle gourd, rich gourd, bitter gourd, sponge gourd, melon, watermelon, eggplant, green beans, peppers, pumpkin, squashes, togan, tomato, zucchini, and all other vegetable crops. Utkarsh Q Lure can lure Bactrocera Cucurbitae Melon fly. You can use 10 to 12 traps per acre, and lure is effective for 85 to 90 days depending upon the climatic condition. Utkarsh Q Lure is non-toxic, harmless, and recommended for organic farming to control fruit flies.